Hey guys, Nikolai Abano from Build with Nick. We are here in Beckenham and we're gonna do the episode 12 of our key handover series. We're gonna check this house, which is a 3x2 and it is a rear block. The good thing about this house, it is very close to a lot of amenities like Mills Park, Westfield Carousel, and of course a lot of train station around that area. So let's check this house. Alright, before we go inside, let's do a bit of land information with this block. So the land is 300 square meters block. Like I said, it is a rear block. So we have a 12 by 17 block configuration and the total house area is 160 square meters. It is not your traditional block. It is a custom design that really fits well with the block. So like I said, we are here in Beckenham. The good thing about this location, it's only 15 minutes away from the airport, 2 minutes walk from the Mills Park, and a 5 minutes drive going to Westfield Carousel. We have two close train stations, which is the Beckenham train station and the Kenwick train station. There's a lot of private and public school around the area, so you have a lot of choices as well. It is only 15 minutes away or 20 minutes away from PERTH CBD, so it is pretty much a good location for any newly married couple, or a startup family or a growing family. Alright, so let's go inside. Alright guys, we are inside the house. When we enter the house, we have a very minimal hallway that separates the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. We're going to go there later on, but we're going to go to the master bedroom first. As you can see, we have a 31 core ceiling. I believe it is everything in this house. So we have a 31 core ceiling in the common area and even in the hallway and in and all of the bedrooms. Now, in the master bedroom, it is 3x4 and we have these horizontal blinds, which I do really prefer rather than vertical or Venetian blinds. And we have a vinyl sheet for their tiles or their placement. And we have a good amount of space for the walk-in closet, and across the walk-in closet or beside the walk-in closet, we have your typical ensuite toilet. So we have the sink, a double shower, it's quite spacious, and we have the toilet. I really like how they design the house because it is a bit more a modern contemporary design, and it's very light and very aesthetically looking. So let's go to bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Alright, we are done with the master bedroom. Now let's go ahead with bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. We have the bedroom 2 right next to the master bedroom. It is 3 by 2.7. I believe same thing with bedroom 3. Both of them, they have a sliding wardrobe, but with bedroom 2, they have a highlight window, which I'm going to show to you later on. We have the bedroom 3 by 2.7 with a sliding wardrobe and good amount of size of window. Right now, across the bedroom 3, we have the guest bathroom and toilet. So they combine it to have more space for the common area. We have your sink, toilet, and again, double shower with a combination of bathtub. So as you can see, we really maximize the space in order to create more space for the other part of the house. Alright, next to it is we have the laundry. So the laundry, I believe this might be around 3 by 1.5. It's quite quirky because we have different tiles for the laundry and the tiles for the common area. If you may ask, the tiles for the common area on the hallway, it is 600 by 600. I forgot what the name of that. But for the tiles in the laundry and in the toilet and bath, it is 350 by 350. We have your linen, of course, sink and place for your washing machine, and sliding door that goes throughout the house. Alright, like I said, we have a 31 core ceiling for the whole house. So that's a good thing about having a high ceiling, because even though the house area is not that quite big, having that high ceiling puts a perspective that somehow your house is quite big. All right, so before we proceed to the common area, like the usual, guys, comment below if you have any question, hit that like button, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Let's proceed to the common area. We have the kitchen on my right. We have the living and the dining area on my left. In total, they are 5 by 5.5 space, and we have 31 core ceiling. We have 2 window light over here and 1 highlight light on the living area. One thing that I really like in this living area is we have a double sliding door. So how good is that? And you can really maximize the space and create an indoor-outdoor living. This is what I want to do with my house before, but I was too late. So imagine having this around 5.5 common area in addition with the alfresco area. So yeah, it's a good way of designing the house by combining your alfresco area. Now, with the kitchen, it is very modern, very aesthetically pleasing. I like how they choose the light. It really complements well with the type of wood or for their cupboards. So not quite sure where did they get this one, but it's very subtle, very small, but it somehow catches your eye if you go to the kitchen. Now we have the bench top, which I believe is almost probably 2 meters with additional of overhang, so you can push the chair. We have the double sink, very spacious, and we have your gas stove, microwave, and of course your range hood. But overall, I like how they design the cupboards. You can put some wine over here and a lot more space for the cupboards. And yeah, and you can place your microwave here. There's some switch, I think 3 more switches for the kitchen, and I like the splash top. Really complements well with the aesthetic look, with the modern design. And of course, we have the dishwashing recess, and we have your place for the refrigerator. Good amount of space for the fridge. And overall, I like the kitchen. I think it is the main attraction of this house. Before we proceed to the alfresco, so you can see there's a lot of light. The client is an electrician, so he really maximized and he knows where to put all of the lighting. So we have 1 main light over here. I'm not sure if this is what's it called? Like a light outside the house. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if that it is. And we have pendant light over here, and we have 3 more downlights in the living room and common area. Another main attraction again with this common area is that you have 2 sliding door, and if you want to close it, of course you have your very smooth horizontal blinds that you can close it. And yeah, and currently we are in a summer season here in Western Australia. That's why you can see that I'm wearing very casual clothing because it's getting hot here. It's like 35, 36 degrees. The alfresco area, it is 2.5 by 2.1 meters. And right next to the alfresco, we have a bit more space for the backyard. I believe it can be around 15 square meters for the backyard. Let's go outside. Alright, so this is your alfresco. Like I said, it is 2.5 by 2.4, and we have a good amount of space for the backyard area, roughly 15 square meters. We are nearly finished. Let's go to the garage So we have the garage, I believe it is 5.8 or 5.6, and based on the council requirements, you need to allocate a 4 meters store area. So this can be like your store area. You can have a store area or let's say a storeroom. Really depends on your own needs. So you might be asking, where is the roller doors or garage doors? They're gonna install it, I believe, by next week before the key handover. But yeah, this is pretty much your garage area. You have your data point, Ethernet connection, and few more outlets with this one. One thing that I really like with the rear block, similar with my house, is you have a good amount of space for your driveway. You know, you own this place, all right? So you can have your own party, put your cars in the driveway. So that is one of the advantage of having a rear block, is you can maximize your driveway with a bit of privacy. Okay, let's go inside to do some recap. Alright guys, thank you for watching and staying up until the very end. A bit of a recap, we have a 300 square meters land area. It is a rear block, which means we have a block configuration of 12 by 17. The total house area including the roof, it is 160 square meters and it is a 3 by 2 with a 31 core ceiling. As you can see, we have an indoor-outdoor living area and a good style of the kitchen. Overall, I would say this house is a modern, contemporary design with aesthetically looking perspective. As the usual, hit that like button below. Comment below if you have any question, queries, or any video that you want me to do. And don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. Lastly, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel, as it will improve my YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye!